Hello guys, Jake here. I just got myself the Maxxhaul steel roof rack. Um, it's a few scratches in places from shipping. There was like a lot of sand and grit inside the packaging, so that probably didn't help. It did originally, when I opened the box, look like it was packed fairly well. Everything was zip tied nice and tight so things wouldn't move, and I think to improve on the packaging they probably should wrap it with at least a plastic bag or something before they put it together. But this piece right here, which is the very front, if you listen to this. And doesn't seem to be any way to get it out. It's all tubing. Um, if it's in this tubing, these are pinched off up here and welded, so if it's in there, it's not coming out. If it's in the larger tubing, I don't see that it's blocked anywhere, so it should. Sounds like sounds like quite a bit. Um, I paid 125 Canadian dollars for it, so it was a pretty good bargain. I think 2 days after I bought it, the price went up to 322. Normally, this thing's about 150 to 170 dollars, so pretty good deal, but a little bit scratched, and don't like that dust sound in there. But if I can't get it out, hopefully it doesn't cause any rusting from the inside. So we shall see.